Let me tell you something crazy. A candy bar is the reason I even have a microwave.
When I looked into this, I found out that back in 1945, the work wasn't about cooking at all. It was happening inside a US military defense lab.
What caught my attention was this moment. A chocolate bar in someone's pocket just melted. No fire, no stove, just standing near the radar machine.
So instead of ignoring it, tests were done. First popcorn, it popped. Then eggs, and yeah, they exploded.
And that's how I realized it. The microwave oven wasn't invented in a kitchen. It was born in a US military.
That's the real story behind the microwave. Progress doesn't ask permission. It just happens.